Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder on a school Chromebook. Many school devices have limitations, but there are clever ways to enjoy your favorite games. We will explore effective strategies to get War Thunder running smoothly. This guide focuses on practical steps, ensuring you can join the aerial and ground battles. Get ready to transform your Chromebook into a capable gaming machine. Since War Thunder is a demanding game, installing it directly on a Chromebook is usually not feasible. The best solution is often cloud gaming. Services like GeForce Now or Boosteroid allow you to stream the game over the internet. This means the heavy lifting, like graphics rendering, happens on powerful remote computers, sending the video feed directly to your Chromebook. It is a fantastic way to bypass hardware limitations. To get started, you will need to pick a cloud gaming service that works well with your Chromebook. Once you have chosen one, sign up for an account and connect your existing War Thunder game if necessary. A strong, reliable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, ideally 25 megabits per second or more. Then, simply open the service in your browser and launch War Thunder. For the best War Thunder experience on your Chromebook, optimize your setup. If possible, use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection than Wi-Fi. Close any extra browser tabs or apps running in the background to dedicate more resources to the game stream. Within War Thunder, try lowering the in-game graphics settings to a medium or low preset for smoother performance. An external mouse will also greatly improve your aiming and control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.